what's up? How are you all? Hope everything is fine. Welcome back to Buggy Vlogs, guys. So guys, today we have come for Suzuki showroom. Metro Mobile, main dealers in value Suzuki. So let us go inside and check out the vehicles.
They was snooze on me. I was dreaming about what food to eat. Why they sleeping, why they snoozed on me? I was seizing opportunity. Now they don't know what to do with me. I keep going hard like I'm in puberty. Rebellions in my blood, there ain't no ruling me. Coming for the top, this is a mutiny.
So guys, this is the Suzuki Intruder. Just look at this bike, guys. It's too huge. The color of this vehicle comes with metallic matte titanium silver, and the headlamps comes with halogen bulb and projector lamps. Just look at this projector lamp. This vehicle comes with ABS anti-braking system, and the tire size of this vehicle is 17 inches. And it has mag wheels and disc brake, which comes with Bybrake, which is a good product. And look at the design of this vehicle. It comes with aerodynamic, and the key system is over here. And these are the indicator lamps, which is bulb. So guys, let us look at the side view of this vehicle. It has bulb finishing overall here, and here Intruder written here, which comes with chrome finishing, and it has nice touch. Here is the Suzuki badging, which comes with chrome finishing. So guys, the fuel tank of this vehicle comes with 11 liters capacity, and the length of this vehicle is 2130 mm. Width comes with 805 mm, and the height comes with 1095 mm. The seat height of this vehicle comes with 740 mm. Ground clearance is 170 mm. Wheelbase comes with 1405 mm, and the overall weight of this vehicle is 152 kg. And this vehicle has single cylinder with 4-stroke engine, and it has air-cooled engine also. The engine cc comes with 155 cc, and the max power of this vehicle is 13.6 PS at 8000 rpm, and the max torque of this vehicle is 13.8 Nm at 6000 rpm. Guys, just look at the brake caliper of this vehicle, and it has chrome finishing over here, and the Suzuki badging over here. There is a footrest here, and this vehicle gets double exhaust, which looks more massive and sportive. And the grab rails are small, and the finishing is also too good, which comes with glossy finishing. And the rear seat is small, and the front seat is too big, and it has red stitching overall here. And guys, this is the tail lamp of this vehicle. It has DRL overall here, which is too good, and Suzuki badging over here. This is the indicator of this vehicle. It comes with bulb. There is a reflector here, and there is light over here for the number plate. This is the 17-inch tire. It is wider than the front tire, and this tire also gets mag wheel and disc brake. In this vehicle, both the tires have mag wheels and disc brake. It is the chain power. So guys, it is too comfortable to sit in this vehicle, and the clutch is too heavy. And let us look at the instrumental cluster of this vehicle. And this is the instrumental cluster of this vehicle. It has digital odometer overall here. This is the indicator induction. This is for the high beam, low beam induction. And this is for the RPM of this vehicle. And this is for neutral induction. And this vehicle comes with ABS anti-braking system. So it has this indication. And guys, in this instrumental cluster, the RPM meter is over here, and you can see the time, and there is the gear position indicator in this vehicle. Now this vehicle is in neutral, so it has shown neutral. In this vehicle there is twin trip meter, and this is the fuel induction here. And here is the choke button and the pass button, and this is the button for the high beam, low beam for the headlamps, and this is the indicator button, left and right, and this is the horn button of this vehicle, and here is the kill switch of this vehicle, and the start power button of this vehicle is here. Sure. And let us hear the exhaust note of this vehicle. And the seating position of this vehicle is too unique. So guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram. The link is given in description. So bye guys. Love you all. Meet you on another vlog.
It's all about humanity.